Remember that battle I was talking to you guys about me and Larry the Bird earlier? Well, guess what? I got him right here. Oh! Darn it, you Larry the Bird. You might have won this time, but next time I'm not gonna win. I'm just gonna gobble you up. God damn it!